Hello, welcome to Landracefarmlgdrescue. Livestock guardian dog, sorry about that. With Asteroid, she's getting to meet everybody. It's her first real day. So, we have Romeo and we have Brad, Alice, and of course Draco's hanging around. Meeting the sweet girl. We're in a transition period. Goliath. And look, he got loose. But, that's Blanco. But he's been really good. And I'm proud of everybody here, all the pack. Oh, Conrad. There's Archie in the back. I'm proud of the pack. They're doing just fantastic. Oh yeah, there's Buddy. Hi, Buddy. So they're just doing fantastic with the new dogs. Except for one dog. Brad, get out of here. No, Brad's been good. Brad! This dude, Roy, he's been a pain in the butt. But I'll put him somewhere for tomorrow. Anyway, well, thanks for your support, everybody, and thanks for your continued support. Enjoy your day.